We've got a maintenance required notification on the dash on this 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Now the owner just had the oil changed and they just asked me if I knew how to reset this light, and I'm going to show you how quickly and easily we can get that done. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to reset this maintenance required light on your dash on a 2014 Toyota 4Runner. Now it's really easy to do, and you don't even have to have the vehicle on. You just have to have the ignition on, and then you're going to use this odometer button down here, and I'm just going to press that until we get to trip A. So you see we have trip A displayed. Now I'm going to turn the ignition off by pressing this engine stop start button one time. Now you can do this with one hand. I'm just going to hold down the odometer button and then turn on the ignition by pushing that button 2 times. And you see it says resetting maintenance data. And it's done. You see it did not reset our trip A. That's still at 5678. And now it's just displaying our average mile per gallon. Maintenance required light is now reset and this is good to go. Let's go ahead and start the vehicle. And you can see no more maintenance required light on the dash. This is done. You're good to go. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.